In this video, we're going to cover one of the most important decisions you're going to make if you make the transition to Office 365, and that is how to choose the right partner for your business. Now, luckily, I'm joined by three experts in this field who will have exactly the right information to give you, because one of them is a partner. We also have an IT evangelist from Microsoft and a small business owner, a small business director as well, who may at some point be in that situation. But Connor, I'm going to start with you. What's your top tip for someone who's actually looking to work with someone?
Well, Microsoft automatically help you in this regard because they have authorization programs. There's Cloud Essential, Cloud Accelerate, Microsoft Premier Deployment Partner, and Cloud Champion. Now, Core has all of those certifications, so you really are looking for someone who has previous experience in doing these types of deployments, integrations.
Okay, so let's very quickly go through those four. I won't be able to remember all the names, so what's the first one you said?
Microsoft Cloud Essentials is the base level entry point for Microsoft Cloud partners. Microsoft Cloud Accelerate then requires you to have completed a number of deployments. Microsoft Premier Deployment Partner requires you to have completed a minimum of 3 500-seat deployments. And Microsoft Cloud Champion means you're in the top 2 or 3 partners that Microsoft use for deployment.
And Simon, what's your top advice for people who are thinking of choosing a partner?
Well, I think after looking at certifications and looking at their track record for deployments, the next best thing is to pick an organisation that you know you can work really well with. So look for the kinds of people that they've got, look for some of the softer skills that are available within that partner, see how that complements the skills that you've already got within your business.
And do you need to look for particular certificates, particular things that they've actually qualified for, or is it just making sure they're one of those 4 schemes?
So those schemes actually roll up those kinds of certifications to make sure that people within that organisation actually are capable of delivering on the promises that the partner has given you.
So Cloud Essentials, for instance, is essentially an umbrella term, meaning that this particular business Microsoft partner will have completed all of the relevant certifications so you don't have to worry about any of those.
Yeah, there's X, Y, Z criteria for them to go through for each one of those.
And what mistakes do you think, Connor, that people make when they do choose a partner?
They tend to go with their incumbent partner who probably hasn't had any cloud experience, and they may be the guinea pig for that particular partner. So again, you need to look at the track record, where have they delivered similar solutions, and really go with those partners.
And how can you find out what companies those partners have worked with?
There's a number of ways. Ask your Microsoft Account Manager. If you're an enterprise organization, if not, you can go to Pinpoint, and Pinpoint holds some of those certifications, tells you who the top cloud partners are. You can also see references, public references that are available there on that.
Okay, so when you say go to Pinpoint,
Pinpoint is the Microsoft tool for finding a partner, and it will help you to find partners that are local to you. It'll help you to find partners that have the right scale nationally as well. And you can access it directly through the Office 365 website.
And the way that Microsoft has actually worked with partners has changed recently, hasn't it, Connor? So what are the practical effects of that?
Well, Microsoft have raised the bar for their gold competencies, and that means that their partners have to have a lot more engineers and a lot more experience to be able to achieve the gold competency. So they've just really raised the bar significantly in that area.
So what does that mean to the actual company, to the customer?
To the customer, it means that for each gold competency, they have a minimum of 4 certified engineers in that skill set. They also must have at least a minimum of 3 reference sites, and they must also have completed customer satisfaction surveys with those customers.
And are there any particular questions that you think that companies should be asking their potential partners before they sign up?
I think the most significant one is clearly, have they done cloud before? And if they have they got happy customers that will recommend them and say, yes, they've done an excellent job?
So I'm sort of slightly worried now because I'm a small business owner and I'm using Office 365. I don't currently have a partner, and now I'm thinking, well, should I have one? At what point, I guess the question would be, what's the metric? At what point do I know that I need a partner? Should I have one right now? How do I know?
I would say it's down to the pain you're experiencing, and do you want to carry that pain yourself, or do you want to pass it on to another partner? Also, what else is the partner providing? Office 365 is just one cloud offering. Microsoft have others, including Intune, which can take away the pain of your desktops and your laptops. It's really how much of the IT do you want to control, and can a partner can a partner take some of that pain at a cost that's applicable to your business?
Okay, so it's not something that should always be running in the background. Essentially, if I'm not worried, then I shouldn't worry. At the point at which I feel that IT is becoming a burden, that is the point at which, that's the flag, at the point at which I should be looking for a partner. I don't always need one if I don't feel that I need one. Is that correct?
Sorry, I would say the question is probably slightly different. I would say, do I want to concentrate my efforts on running my business, or and hand the pain of managing my IT to somebody else? And what is that cost to me, and what is it worth to me, and can a partner provide it at that cost to me?
So the natural course of action for me at that point would be to use the pinpoint tool. Was that correct? Absolutely. So I go for a partner who is certified with the Cloud Essentials scheme. That's probably going to be right for my business, which is a smaller business, and I can go from there.
I would also say look at some of the partners and what they offer. Some are offering free migrations to Office 365 for small businesses, giving some prerequisites. So again, I would look at what other partners offer. We at Core offer some small businesses the opportunity to migrate them for free in exchange for being a reference or a case study. So again, also look at what the partner is offering, not just what certification they have.
That makes sense, yeah. Thank you.
So are you saying this actually is a very good time to get in and jump, because those offers probably won't be there forever, will they?
Yeah, I would definitely say that. At the moment, it's quite a new technology. So Microsoft and partners are quite keen to move people to that technology. So yeah, there's some very good offers out there, especially for the SMEs.
Okay, panel, thank you very much.